Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Venmo Business to your bank, full guide step by step clearly. To withdraw funds from your Venmo Business account to your bank, start by opening the Venmo app on your mobile device. Log into your account using your credentials. Once logged in, tap on the icon located in the top left corner of the home screen. From the menu, select Manage Balance. Here, you will see your current balance and a button labeled Transfer to Bank. Tap on Transfer to Bank to proceed. You will now be prompted to choose the transfer speed, either instant or 1 to 3 business days. Select your preferred transfer speed by tapping on it. If you choose instant, be aware that a small fee will apply. Next, you'll need to select the bank account you wish to transfer funds to. If you haven't linked a bank account yet, tap Add to connect a new bank account. Follow the prompts to enter your bank account information. Once your account is linked, return to the transfer screen. Now, indicate the amount you wish to withdraw by entering it in the designated field. After that, double-check your details to ensure everything is correct. Once confirmed, tap the transfer button to initiate the withdrawal. If you opted for an instant transfer, you will see the funds in your bank account shortly. For transfers that take 1 to 3 business days, you'll receive a notification on your app confirming the transaction. Keep an eye on your email for any updates regarding the transfer. If you encounter issues, you can refer to the Venmo Help Center for assistance. Now you know how to withdraw from your Venmo Business account to your bank efficiently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.